and the United Kingdom hold talks to renew the BATUK agreement. Affected families are calling for justice, compensation and accountability before any new deal is approved. Sally Davida now reports.
Emotions ran high in Nanyuki as families alleging human rights abuses linked to BATUK share their experiences and call for justice.
Well, thank you so much for that.
Among the cases discussed is that of Agnes Wanjiru, who was killed 14 years ago, with her family still seeking justice till now.
In our case, this is the 14th year, and I'm still in the media trying to push for justice. Same to the Kenyan government. They seem not to be interested.
The 5-year BATUK agreement expired in 2025, and talks to renew it is currently underway.
There should be a separate channel where women and children abandoned by these soldiers can be able to report these cases, and these cases can be handled to their logical conclusion.
Residents of Laikipia say the discussions have reopened old wounds and should not proceed without addressing long-standing grievances. However, the victims are urging the governments of Kenya and the United Kingdom to prioritize justice, compensation, and protection of the local communities in any agreement.